Good morning, students. Today we will study about the H hybrid parameter, and first of all, the general characteristics of the common emitter amplifier. Now, the general characteristics of the common emitter amplifier are: number one, large current gain. We get the large current gain. Second, large voltage gain. Third is large power gain, and fourth is voltage phase shift of 180 degree, and 5, moderate input impedance, and 6 is moderate output impedance. These are the characteristics of common emitter amplifier. Now, hybrid parameters. Every linear circuit having input and output terminals, and can be analyzed by 4 parameters, and 4 parameters called hybrid or H parameters. These parameters are called hybrid or H parameters. Every linear circuit having input and output terminals can be analyzed by 4 parameters, and these parameters are called hybrid or H parameters. One measured in ohm, one in mho, and 2-dimensionless. And this is the circuit by which we can represent a linear circuit. Now, this circuit has input voltage and current labeled V1 and I1. This circuit also has output voltage and current labeled V2 and I2. And we can write the input voltage V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. These are the two equations. And how can we determine the H parameters? Now, first, if we short circuit the output terminals, then V2 will be equal to 0. If we short circuit the output terminals, then V2 will be equal to 0, and we get V1 is equals to H11 into I1 plus 0, and I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus 0. And so we get H11 is equals to V1 upon I1, and H21 is equals to I2 upon I1. So H11 is equals to V1 upon I1 H11 is equals to V1 upon I1. That means it is equal to input impedance with output shorted. Input impedance with output shorted. And H21 is equals to I2 upon I1 is equals to current gain with output shorted. H21 is equals to I2 upon I1 is equals to current gain with output shorted. Now, second, if we take I1 is equals to 0, then both the equations becomes V1 is equals to 0 plus H12 V2, and I2 is equals to H22 V2, and finally we get H12 is equals to V1 upon V2, and H22 is equals to I2 upon V2. Here H12 is equals to voltage feedback ratio with input terminals open. Here V1 upon V2 is called voltage feedback ratio with input terminals open, and similarly H22 is a ratio of output current and output voltage, and it is equal to output admittance. It is equal to output admittance with input terminals open. It is clear in the diagram that input terminals are open. Now H parameter equivalent circuit. We can draw the H parameter equivalent circuit, and this is the H parameter equivalent circuit. This circuit is also called hybrid equivalent. This circuit is also called hybrid equivalent. The input circuit appears as a resistance H11 in series with a voltage generator H12 into V2. The input circuit appears as a resistance H11 in series with a voltage generator H12 into V2. This circuit is derived from the first equation, and the output circuit involve two components, a current generator H21 into I1 and shunt resistance H22, and it is derived from the equation second. Now performance of a linear circuit in H parameter. Performance of a linear circuit in H parameter, and first is input impedance. We will find the input impedance. This is the circuit diagram. Now we have to find out Z in. We have to find out Z in, and Z in will be equal to V1 upon I1, and this will be equal to H11 into I1 plus H12 into V2 divided by I1, and we get this will be equal to H11 plus H12 into V2 upon I1, and we know that I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2, and it is clear that from the circuit that I2 is equals to minus V2 upon R2. I2 is equals to minus V2 upon R2, and now put this value in the equation, then we get minus V2 upon R2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 R2, and then we get minus H21 into I1 is equals to H22 V2 plus V2 divided by RL. V2 divided by RL, and V2 by I1 is equals to minus H21 divided by H22 plus 1 by RL. So we get the Z in is equals to H11 minus H12 H21 divided by H22 plus 1 by RL. If H12 or RL are very small, then Hz in will be equal to H11. If H12 or RL are very small, then Z in will be equal to H11. Now current gain AI is equals to I2 upon I1. We have to find out the current gain. Then we know that I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2, and this will be equal to H21 into I1 minus H22 into I2 into RL, and On solving the equation, we get I2 upon I1 is equals to H21 divided by 1 plus H22 into RL. If RL is less than 1 by H22, that is output resistance. In this condition, generator current bypass the output resistance, or I2 is equals to H21 into I1. If RL is very less than the 1 by H22, then in this condition we get I2 is equals to H21 into I1, and finally we get H21 will be equal to I2 upon I1, or current gain is equals to I2 upon I1 is equals to H21. Now third is voltage gain. Voltage gain is equals to AV is equals to V2 upon V1, and this will be equal to V2 upon I1 into Z in. Now if we put the value of V2 upon I1 is equals to H21 upon H22 plus 1 by RL, then we get AV is equals to H21 divided by H22 plus 1 by RL into Z in. AV is equals to H21 divided by H22 plus 1 by RL into Z in. Now last is output impedance, and for this remove load RL and set signal voltage to 0. Remove the load resistance RL and set signal voltage to 0, and connect a generator VI at the output V2, and connect a generator V2 at the output terminals. Then we get, now Z out is equals to V2 upon I2, and we know that V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 into V2 is equals to 0. Now since V1 is equals to 0, so we get I1 is equals to minus H12 V2 divided by H12, and I2 is equals to H21 into minus H12 divided by H11 into V2. I2 is equals to H21 into minus H12 V2 divided by H11 plus H22 V2. Now on solving the equation, we get Z out is equals to V2 upon I2, and this will be equal to 1 upon H22 minus H12 into H21 divided by H11, and Z in is equals to H11 minus H12 H21 divided by H22 plus 1 by RL, and AI is equals to H21 divided by 1 plus H22 RL, and Z out is equals to 1 by H22 minus H21 into H12 divided by H11, and AV is equals to minus H21 divided by Z in into H22 plus 1 by RL.